The Supreme Court has pulled up the BCCI yet again. The Supreme Court saying the BCCI simply refuses to reform. The BCCI, remember, opposed the one state, one vote reform and also the appointment of a CNAG observer on the board. The hearing is now to resume on Monday, but Rhythm has the details for what has transpired so far. Rhythm, the Apex Court continuing with very scathing observations on the BCCI's unwillingness to reform.
And Tina, not the first time, but several times the Supreme Court has told them this. Once again, we are hearing the same kind of observations. The most important one, the Supreme Court is saying to the BCCI, you are refusing to reform. In fact, they said that is the BCCI arguing that they can collect hundreds of crores, but they cannot be questioned as to how they spend it. The second observation by the Supreme Court saying the BCCI does not ensure that the money they allocated is well spent. So very sharp criticism for the BCCI coming in. They're also asking, is the money that the BCCI has not in trust with you to be spent in the right way? It also says the BCCI, there is no control over people whom you're allocating the money to. The BCCI is refusing to be reformed while they are discharging a public function. They say you want to change things but not be reformed. At several points, the BCCI opposed the tenure cap that has been put by the Lodha panel. They've also opposed the one vote, one state regime that's there. They've also questioned the government appointee being a part of the BCCI. In fact, they said the appointment of a government officer is in violation of the ICC rules. The Supreme Court has therefore questioned them by saying how you can say this when in fact you also have BCCI collecting money. One must also question the extent of judicial review. We are an autonomous body is what we are being told, what they are telling the Supreme Court. In one sense, Tina, they're also saying the media reporting is extremely one-sided and against us. However, the Supreme Court then said, have a press conference. When they said that these are the changes that we oppose in the Lodha committee, the Supreme Court clearly said, you're not willing to be reformed.